Welcome to episode 4 of Networking Basics, where we'll explore the fundamental differences between TCP and UDP. TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, is a connection-oriented protocol ensuring reliable data delivery. It begins with a three-way handshake, SYN, SYN-ACK, and ACK, to establish a secure connection before any data is sent. This handshake guarantees that both devices are ready to communicate, preventing lost or out-of-order data. UDP, or User Datagram Protocol, is connectionless, meaning it sends data without establishing a prior connection. It's faster because it skips the handshake and error checking, prioritizing speed over guaranteed delivery. For example, TCP is ideal for web browsing and email, where every piece of data is crucial. UDP is preferred for real-time applications like video streaming and online gaming, where speed is paramount. Understanding these differences helps you appreciate how data travels across the internet. Join us next time for more insights into the world of networking.